to you today to talk about the Room Full of Referrals. And it's really been beneficial for me to be able to learn about the different behavioral styles. I am able to communicate with my clients and align to their behavioral styles. And this has really benefited me because it has allowed me to talk to them in such a way where they feel comfortable with me. And that increases my potentiality of increasing my tip potential. So the average tip in our industry is 18 to 20 something percent a tip. So at the end of the day, if I'm able to align to their behavioral style, that increases my tip potential 20% more. So it's been very, very beneficial to me. I connect with them and I form a deeper relationship with them. So they, in addition to the tip, they end up coming back as well. So if you are on the fence about taking Room Full of Referrals, don't sit on the fence. Just jump in there, learn all that you can so you can begin to align with the people that you connect with, and so you can have more value in the relationship. That's it for me, Dr. Marnita on fire.